Welcome back. Some breaking updates coming in. China has reported a large jump in the COVID-19 hospitalizations in the week up to January 15th. And this is the highest since the pandemic began. This is according to the weekly report that was published by the World Health Organization. Remember, the WHO has also been calling on China to be more transparent in the number of COVID infections as well as fatalities that are being reported. Now the WHO weekly report confirming that China has seen a massive jump in the COVID-19 hospitalizations. This is in the week leading up to January 15th. So a lot of hospitalizations have been reported from China. This also comes in the wake of China easing the COVID-19 restrictions. It had a strict zero COVID policy, but after massive protests in the country, now the guard has been lowered. My colleague Mayank joining us over the phone line with the details. Mayank, it's a worry that a massive jump of hospitalizations being reported in China, because if the number of hospitalizations and cases are reported in China, it's a worry for the rest of the world.
Well, absolutely, Pratibha. See, we have seen the trend in the COVID-19 since the start of the pandemic that what starts in China does not remain in China. And as the number of hospitalization has risen by 70%, and the number of people who needed hospitalization due to COVID-19 infection rose to more than 60,000. That speaks volume of the rampant spread of the COVID-19 still that is prevalent in China, and that's why WHO as well has on multiple occasions have asked for transparency of data so that they can understand and estimate the gravity of the problem, because WHO is concerned that the other poor countries which does not have higher number of vaccination coverage, as that has been the case in India, so they will have to face problem because of the cases originating from China, because China has opened up. So that also is a very important point. So China has been reporting, record number of cases, and in fact, what is more worrisome is that still numbers of people who require hospitalization because the Chinese officials are saying that they are also ramping up vaccination. So all those impacts will have to be contained, and that's why WHO is very concerned at the number of cases that are rising.
The WHO had also asked for China to be more transparent with the number of cases, be open about the number of cases being reported. Mayank, thank you for joining us with those details.